नमस्कार। आप सभी का हमारे शो इंटरव्यू ड्यूरिंग क्वारंटाइन पर स्वागत है और हमारी आज की गेस्ट है मिस ABCDEFGS। सो लेट्स वेलकम आवर गेस्ट। मैम, वेलकम टू आवर शो। सो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग एज यू आर द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट गेस्ट ऑफ आवर शो? Namaste. Thank you so much for inviting me on your show. I feel very blessed and honored. And you know what? First impression is the last impression, and on this show, it's absolutely true. या सो मैम, ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि आपका एक्चुअल नेम ABCDEFGH होगा। मतलब आपका एक्चुअल नेम क्या है? पीपल वांट्स टू नो, मतलब और व्हाई इज इट सो? Interesting question. So my actual name is Abdada Babdada Kabdada Dabdada. Cool. Nice name, man. That's why it's ABCD. And you wanna know my full name and surname? No, ma'am. We are fine with ABCDEFGH. Thank you. Please have a seat, ma'am. So आइए हमारे शो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। को पावर्ड बाय घरेलू सैनिटाइजर। हाथ बार बार धोइए और स्वच्छ रहिए। So ma'am, moving to our topic, how is this journey from working 24/7 to staying at home and resting? See, you're mistaken. Of course, I'm not working from home because it's impossible to work from home because we can't do it using our technology, you know. But I'm not free at home. It's as my maid Miku, yeah, her name is Miku. She's not there due to lockdown, so I have to do all the housework by myself. So obviously, I'm not free at home and not resting. Journey. See, every journey has its ups and downs, highs and lows, and so is mine. So moving toward our first segment, who are the people you miss the most? Of course, there'll be many. Yeah, so firstly, I miss being with my family because my family is my first priority. Secondly, I miss my mates. Oh, I miss them a lot because I can't do anything without them. So yeah, I miss them a lot. And of course, how can I forget my best friends? So if you're watching this, Miku, Komo, if you're watching this, I miss you a lot. And of course, my family, if you guys are watching this, Mama, Daddy, I miss you a lot. And my best friends and my peers and all the people I know because I like being with people rather than being alone. I'm an extrovert, you know. Of course, you must be missing the home food most. But what is the food which you miss the most right now? The food I miss right now, it's Kamal Kalwa. I miss it a lot. But it's my favorite, most favorite dish you can say. Kamal ka halwa. कमल का हलवा मतलब डू यू मीन लोटस? No, guys, it's not like that. Kamal ka halwa means the name of my maid. It's Kamal. So I miss the halwa which she prepares. She prepares the most yummiest halwa. Of course, my mother also prepares the best halwa in the world. So yeah, I miss Kamal ka halwa and I also miss the halwa which my mom makes. So yeah. Okay. So your favorite dance move, as you have been watching all the movies which you missed watching and will be listening to all the songs, right? Oh, my favorite dance move, the go-to dance move is this. Na 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 oh. Na 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 This, I mean, why this? Is there any specific reason behind it? Yes, of course. I don't do things without any reason. So the reason behind this dance move is means I listen to music while cleaning my window glass. So therefore my favorite dance move is this. Okay, great. So how do you connect with your family as you are stuck here alone in Mumbai? Yes, I miss my family a lot. But see, we always have means every day. We every day have a video call which starts at around 8 a.m. and continues till 3 p.m. Then we take a nap. They take there, I take here. And the next call starts at around 7 p.m. and continues till 11 p.m. So during video call we eat together, we play games such as Antakshari and Housey and many other. And yeah, so it feels like we are together. We are always together. So it's like that. But still I miss being with them. Okay, so let's move towards our next segment. Our next segment is this or that. And why? Pocha. And why? Of course, it's pocha. Because it's jhadu. Yeah, it's jhadu. I do once in 2 days and pocha twice a week. So yeah, it's pocha. I'm not lying. Yeah, I'm honest. I'm an honest person. So I give honest reply. Okay, nice answer. Singing or dancing? See, I just love singing. I love music. But the thing is, my voice don't support me. So it's playing music on my speaker and dancing. Okay, nice answer. We are at the end of the show and our last segment is Rapid Fire. Which is your favorite TV show? Okay, so my favorite show मतलब my favorite TV show जिसके मैं रिपीट टेलीकास्ट भी देखती हूँ वो शो है 4 दिन क्वारंटाइन. आई जस्ट लव दैट शो. मतलब मुझे कोई पूछे ना कि अगर वो शो फिर से मतलब किया जाएगा तो उसमें काम करोगे तो आई जस्ट लव टू वॉक इन दैट शो. मतलब इट्स माई मोस्ट फेवरेट शो एंड आई एम addicted to it. I'm such an addict of that show. Favorite movie? My favorite movie is Quarantine अपना अपना. या मैंने वो बहुत बार देखी है. So it's my favorite movie. And favorite song? Favorite song जो आजकल चल रहा है और वही सॉन्ग सबका फेवरेट होगा मुझे लगता है. हाँ, आप लोगों का भी वो सॉन्ग फेवरेट हो सकता है. वो सॉन्ग है गो करो ना गो समथिंग लाइक दैट. मतलब आई लव टू लिसन टू दैट सॉन्ग बट या आई थिंक इट्स गो करो ना गो समथिंग लाइक दैट. Yeah, that's my favorite song because of the lockdown. Yeah. And that's all for today. थैंक यू सो मच मैम हमारे शो पर आने के लिए और हमारे शो पर 4 चांद लगाने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी ऑन योर शो. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके शो में आके. एंड आई फील लाइक दैट आई एम द फर्स्ट one to come here on your show. So thank you so very much for inviting me. आशा है कि जल्द ही आपसे और प्रेक्षकों आपसे भी मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। आशा है